Chapter one's a different chapter, unlike any that might show up in a normal science textbook. And so if we're going to give solved assessments to chapter one type problems, you might wonder about kind of what's the point? In a lot of cases, the answers will vary. They're going to be dependent on your own experience. But just so we get in the habit of coming to YouTube, coming to this channel to watch videos and see how the assessments go, I'm going to use this as an opportunity to kind of reveal myself. When I wrote the textbook, my plan was to incorporate aspects of my personality, my coaching style, my teaching style. And so if you're interested in learning where that personality comes from or seeing who this author is, that might be a reason to watch the solved assessments in chapter one. It'll also give you a sense of what it is I'm asking for or what it is that's being asked in the individual questions. I'd love at some point for this channel to feature students, maybe your instructors, someone you know that took organic and was successful, be they a doctor, a dentist, a chemical researcher, or somebody that's out of the science in general. So if you have any ideas of who you'd like to share their experiences in the context of assessments like chapter one or at any point, feel free to post in the comments and let me know. But chapter one assessments are going to be a little different than the ones that we see going forward, where we'll use this light board to answer a bunch of questions. Let's get started.